In the last section, we tried making use of that volume switch on Docker run, but we very quickly saw an error message appear in the terminal. So let me tell you about exactly what occurred. So like we just said, when we make use of that volume command, we're essentially setting up a mapping between a file or folder inside the Docker container and a file or folder on the local folder system on your machine. The issue here is that when we set up that binding or that volume, we said take everything. Let's go look at the diagram one more time. Right here, we essentially said take everything inside of our present working directory and map it up to the app folder inside of our container. The issue with that is that inside of our current directory right here, you'll notice that we do not presently have a node modules folder. So when we tried to take everything inside of here and map it into that app folder, well, we don't have a node modules folder, which is where all of our dependencies exist. So the node modules folder inside the container essentially got overwritten. We had a node modules folder over there. We can kind of imagine that it was right here. But when we set up that mapping, we said, hey, you know what? Anytime you try to reference node modules, just go ahead and try to look at the copy of node modules that is back inside of the front end folder. And as you very well know, we just deleted that folder a moment ago. And so we get this reference that points back to essentially nothing on the local operating system. Now there's a very easy fix to this. All we have to do is pass in an additional -v flag, and as the only argument or the only folder path on there,